All right, let's solve Leetcode number 252, meeting rooms. Basically, you've been given some meeting times, and you are asked to check if you can attend all of these meetings, right? So we've given us this list of meeting times, and the output is false, and they're giving us a set of meeting times, and then the output is true. So let's look at the first example where we have a meeting of 0 to 30, and then we have 5 to 10, and we have 15 to 20, right? Clearly we can see that these two fall in between 0 and 30, so we cannot attend all these meetings. Let's represent that on a number line to see how it looks like. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. First meeting starts from 0, goes straight to 30. Next meeting starts from 5 to 10. And then the next meeting starts from 15 to 20, right? This one seemed to have sorted, but I don't think it's been sorted by the first meeting start times. But the question does not really, it's not sorted by any order. But for faster and efficient solution, we'll probably need to solve this by the start time, right? So for a meeting to be continuous, right, it must end, the next meeting must start after the first meeting ends, right? So if we have 0 to 30, the next upcoming meeting must at least start from 30, right? But we have 0 to 30, the next meeting starts from 5, which means we cannot attend this meeting. Then upcoming meeting also starts from 15. We can't attend that either. So that, yes, it's just false. We can't, right? If we look at the other example, that one also is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First meeting starts from 7 to 10. Then the other meeting starts from 2 to 4, right? So clearly, and again, this is a situation where we see that we really have to sort by the meeting start time, so we can start from here. Otherwise, we would have to loop through all and get like an O of n squared solution, right? So the first meeting, it starts at 2, ends at 7. The next one it ends at 4, and the next one starts at 7. So clearly we can attend all these meetings, so this will turn true. So let's go look at how we can represent this in code. So let's sort this intervals, right? So we have intervals dot sort key is equal to lambda for x, so by the first elements, right? And then let me set room first so that I can put stuff in there. And then for interval in intervals, if not rest, or the last element that we will put into the rest, the last elements second, right, the end of the first meeting, if it's less than or equal to the current meeting start time that we're looking at, then we can attend that meeting, right? Else, it's just impossible to attend all the meetings because we can attend one. So this is false, or you return true. So this is how you solve this question, and because we are sorting, it's going to be n log n, and then yeah, space is going to be of n at the most. Yes, so this is how you solve the meeting question. Leetcode 252. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.